everybody! Don't you feel like enjoying sweet? But just a little bit. But very special. I think this would be the best one to make. Amazake pudding. It's quick to make and very delicious. I'm just so excited. Let's get started.
The ingredients are 50 grams of water, 60 grams of sugar. This time I'm using brown sugar, but you can use any kind of sugar. 10 grams of gelatin. And of course, this is the most important ingredients. 400 milliliters of milk. Then this is totally optional. If you like more sweet, then you should add kuromitsu, which is a black syrup. Very Japanese. And this is the main ingredients. Amazake. Amazake is naturally already sweet, so you can control the sweetness with sugar.
this nice milky taste, but afterwards the nice and aromatic of amazake comes out from your nose. I love it. It's just so luxury. And this kuromitsu, which is a black sugar syrup, this makes it more luxury. I like it. This is very special but healthy and very easy to make as usual. So you're gonna like it. And it's just so unstoppable. You will love it. Well, if you like this video, please thumbs up and please give me a comment. I'll be waiting for you. Well, if you're interested in how to make amazake, I have a video out there. So please click to check it out. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.